Hey guys, what's up? And today I will going to teach you how to grow pastries. So let's play. Let's create a new world. Create a new world. Wait, exploring something new. Okay, survival, just creative. Continue. Okay, more. Wait, there's the infinite. It's this flat. Okay, flat. Now let's generate the world. Okay. My version is 17.0.1 alpha. Sorry for the lagness, it seems to be pretty lag. So we need this one. No, where's that? Why this is the first? Where's this? Jungle sapling. This jungle sapling is the highest tree in Minecraft, the jungle tree. And we need okay. The oh wait. Okay, let's put you here. The secret in growing fast tree is you need some bone meal. Where's the bone meal? Bone meal, this one. So let's try it. First I jungle sapling, and let's try it. You see? And I put it in a. You see? Oh my goodness! If you want some big tree, okay, let's try it on tree. And put some jungle saplings and put this one. See, you have now a big tree. And if you want the tallest tree, then make it tall. Okay, just put 4. If it's 6, I guess it don't work if it's 6 saplings. You see, it's high. Okay, let's try 6. It's so big. Oh, 5 by 5. Oh no, it's not. It's not trying on 6. It's trying 4. You see? It's 4 square. Oh, well, let's try on the maximum height. And if you make it super tall, you can go on the top of it and you can fly with electronics. Okay, let's try with electronics. Later. First, we're gonna toll it. Yeah. This you see the ground. We not see now the ground. Let's go it in and go on over and over. Okay. See, it's super high. It reaches the sky. Okay. Bang. Oh my gosh. What? 12 FPS? Oh my gosh. 16 F. Oh no. It's laggy. Oh my gosh. Yeah. Okay. Now it's okay. It's not 30 FPS. It's okay. See 29 F. Oh. It's serious. 36 FPS. Now 16. Oh no. Now it seems to be far. Ooh, you see the bottom? See, so far. And this is the. If you make it an infinite world, it seems to be pretty just short. Yeah, short. What do you mean? Not tall at all, but it's a flat world. You make it, it will become super tall. Because the flat earth, the terrain is flat. That's the reason why. Oh, see? Why is it like this? Oh! Serious lagness? I guess it's the end. Oh no, it's not the end of. Oh my gosh, it's so tall. No, it seems to be pretty. Over the lagness. Okay, let's see. There are times that the tree is tall, and there's sometimes that it's short when growing. Oh no, it's the highest. It's oh, we reach 200 the block, and now yeah, we can fly. First, we need some electrons. This one. 17.0.1. There are no elite raw wings. Okay, I will make a video on what is new on 17. Okay, let's try to fly. And now, guys, it is finished. You see? Just like that, you need a bone meal to make your tree grow taller, faster, and bigger. But just 4x4, and you see, bone meal can make so many weeds, grass, no, grasses, the ferns. This is just like a fertilizer. Hey chickens. Hey chicken. Hey. Hey. You, yeah. Who are you? Okay. Now guys, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you want more fresh new videos, subscribe to my channel. And it's the Gamer Survival again. Thank you for watching, and good. Where's that? Good.